Okay, welcome to a Ginger Mathematician video where I'm going to go through an issue that I've had when actually going through some iGCSE maths questions. So you'll see there's a question in front of you here on vectors, and you can see I've written in the solution just like so. But what I want to try and do is clear the solution so I can remove the ink. And notice this is harder than you think. If you try and highlight here, for example, you'll see it also highlights the part of the question down below. So then if I remove, it actually removes part of the question, which is kind of irritating. Notice that each of the parts of the ink here, they're individual parts. So if I hold down Control, I could try and click everything, but as you can see, this is not an easy thing to do. Again, takes a lot of time in order to get rid of the ink. So I was looking for a solution on YouTube to this particular problem, and I couldn't find it anywhere. But I have come up with an ingenious hack here to actually get rid of this ink really quickly. And the tool I'm going to use is the one here on the top left hand side. This is the lasso tool. So we click this link here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to drag this lasso, and it will actually drag over all the ink, ignoring all the rest of the text. Once I've done that, then I can just press delete and it will get rid of the ink only, leaving the question exactly how I want it formatted. So, do you have this kind of problem? Again, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to work on your equation editor skills, if you're working on some mathematical project, then check out the video right in front of you, because that's going to go through everything you need to use the equation editor really effectively.